Good morning! In this video, we will create a stacked area chart in Excel for Office 365 and Excel 2016 for Mac. Why should we learn how to create a stacked area chart in Excel? We can find the answer in the immediacy and the clarity of a chart. Remember, a chart is the easiest and fastest way to represent information to our audience. So, stacked area charts are particularly useful to visualize the variation of specific phenomena in the time, focusing our attention on the total value of a trend. To create a stacked area chart, we can use the data disposed in lines or columns of a datasheet. Before starting, we realized an example of dataset about the per capita tax revenue in dollars of 4 imaginary regions during the quarters of 2017. Let's proceed now to the realization of a stacked area chart. First of all, select the data. Then, click on the menu Insert. Choose Lines from the list of Excel charts. Finally, select Stacked Area. Now it is possible to click on the menu Select Data and create the labels for the horizontal axis. After that, we will rename the single series of data. And finally, we will click on OK. We can select the area chart title if we want to change it. Clicking twice in the table area, we can modify its structure by using the menu Chart Design, adding elements in the table, for example, axis titles, data table, or changing, quick layout, change colors, quick styles. By using the menu format, we will be able to modify the theme styles, the shape fill, the text, and the chart dimensions. Last but not least, clicking on the right side of mouse on the values of the horizontal axis, it will be possible to change the value of the axis. The position, and the number of the labels. If you liked the video, please click on like and subscribe the channel.